Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please consider liking, subscribing even. Here's the products I'll be using today. I'll be doing the new pigment nail art trend. The first one didn't go quite to plan, which you'll see anyway. So sit down, get comfy, grab a cuppa, and I hope you enjoy it. First up, I'm just going to do 2 coats of white gel polish on my 4 tips, curing each layer in between for 60 seconds. So now here I'm just getting all my pigments out. These are from Nail Sugar. They are so bright and really pigmented, pardon the pun. There's the yellow one, and the pink, orange, purple, green, blue, my fave. So now I'm just going to get one tip at a time so it doesn't stick to the other nails. So I'm just dabbing it in to this tacky layer in a little design. These can do any way you want to. I decided to do purple, then pink in a circle. Wiping off my brush in between. Then I went in with orange. Then I went in with some yellow. Then a little bit of green. And finally some blue. Then I just slightly brush off any excess pigment. Here I'm just adding some white gel polish and top coat onto my little palette and giving it a good mix. This is where I went wrong. I added too much top coat, so it did start to run all over the nail. I did improve on my next ones. You always live and learn, don't you? You always learn from your mistakes. But yeah, this one didn't go quite to plan. So I'll just let you watch this bit. using my amazing Natalie Mortgage detailer brush, which you can also get from Nail Sugar. And I'm just doing little swirly lines, but it tended to run into each other, so it didn't look as good as I wanted it to. See there in the middle, it started to run together, so I changed my idea on the design. On my next ones, I flash cure in between, which helped a lot. Right, once I was sort of happy with that, popped it in for a cure. Now I get a lint-free pad with some rubbing alcohol and just rub that nail, and then the excess pigment will come off and you'll see your design underneath. Okay, so next up I was following this tutorial off Instagram by Moni. I don't know how you say it, sorry, but I'll leave the link to her Instagram in the description box below, with along with all the other products that I use in this tutorial. So I first went in with some yellow pigment, just in random places. Now just going in with some of the orange around the yellow spots, as I could call them. So just let you watch this bit and I'll be back. Okay, so here I added a little bit more of the white gel polish just so it was a little bit thicker. And then I'm going to be doing some flowers. And I do flash cure when I'm happy with that little bit that I've done. It just helps stop the running of the gel polish. This doesn't work with gel paints because it's too thick, and gel polish actually shrinks once you cure it, which is why it reveals the design underneath. Once that's fully cured, go in again with a lint-free pad with some rubbing alcohol and give it a good rub. And that's the finished design. I love that. Love this one. Okay, so next up I'm going to be following a design step by step by Nail Champion on Instagram. On this one I'll be doing stripes of all the pigments, and then I'll be doing little hearts. So I'll just let you watch this and I'll be okay, so once you're happy with that, pop it in for a cure. And then same again, with a lint-free pad and some rubbing alcohol, give it a good rub. My tip kept falling off. I was having so much fun with these, I was just thought I'd do my own little design. So I went in with the blue on an angle. Then I went in with the purple, nice and thick. Thick line that is, not thick in product. Don't need too much of these. And then the beautiful bright pink. Okay, so here I just put some white gel polish on my palette without adding any top coat. I just found it a lot easier. I did flash cure these in between little bits that I was doing, so it didn't run again. But I love this design, so I'll just let you watch. So once you're happy, pop that in for a cure, and again, give it a good wipe. I do like this one, I just went with it. And then as I was rubbing it, my tip kept falling off the stand, as you can see. Really good rubbing this one. Then I tried to stick it back on the stand and it wouldn't stick, so I just ended up holding it, as you can see. Oh dear me. Really hope you enjoyed watching this. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you'd like any certain tutorials or give me a challenge, please comment below. Thanks again. See ya. Bye.